Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and I have an unboxing here from somebody very, very special. You see that logo right there? You see that? If you've been here a while, then you know this is one of our own Roses here, her business, which is called Kai Designs. And she has another business within that business that I am going to show you what I got. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, please. A heart. Let me see if I can make a heart with my fingers. Yeah, a heart. Heart this video. Yeah. You see how I struggle to make this heart? Go ahead and heart this video, okay? Hype this video up if you would like. And leave me a comment at the end. So let me go ahead and get this box open. All right. So this is when I ordered it, and I got this. Oh my goodness. It seemed like it was the same week. You should know by now I'm late opening up things. But shout out to my friend Alvita of Kai Designs Boutique. Now, I've mentioned her before on this channel. This is one of her Roses, okay? I've gotten a t-shirt from her, which I wear all of the time. I have 2 pairs of earrings, but we're not done yet because we support our Roses over here, okay? So what I ordered is a Purpl Be Kind or Be Quiet sweatshirt. And as you can see, this logo belongs to her. Be kind or be quiet. That's hers, okay? Oh, it looks like she sent me a Be Kind or Be Quiet sticker. That's cool because I'll go ahead and add it to my little collection. I have stickers. If you guys can see my mess back there, I have a few stickers from a few other businesses, but it will go on my mirror back there. It is here. It is here. Okay, so wonderful packaging. If you already follow her, and if you don't already follow her here on YouTube, you can go ahead and subscribe to her channel. You can follow her on Instagram, which we have been following each other for, oh my gosh, years. I don't know if it's at 10 years yet. That is how long. So a very long time. And can you tell she likes purple just like me? She has all kinds of things, all kinds of handmade things. When I first started following her, she had so many earrings. She used to make wallets. She had bags. She has her own lifestyle clothing line where she has all types of t-shirts, sweatshirts with different phrases on it. And she also has the Be Kind or Be Quiet line as well as gym wear, y'all. Yes, the leggings with the cute tops, the jackets, you know, the sports bras, everything, and that's called Swoochy. So she got a whole lot going on, okay? And this is a Black-owned business, so I need for us to support. She's been around for quite a long time now, and she ain't going nowhere. Okay, so here's my sticker. Do I want to take it off? Oh my gosh. I mean, even this is nice. And this ain't any old kind of paper. This is kind of thick right here. So that's my sticker. I'll leave it on for right now. Okay, so thank you for that, Alvita. Okay, look at this. Why am I just now realizing she has her own? No, girl, come on now. You got your own tag? Like this is girl. I'm talking like I'm talking right to her, but this could be just hanging up in the shop somewhere. Oh my goodness, look at that. So it says Kai Designs, the lifestyle brand to accessorize your life. www.kaidesignsboutique.com, and there goes her Instagram name. Okay, I'm so proud of her. I'll be wearing this tomorrow. I have an appointment to go to, and I don't know, I always love wearing statement things, you know, statement tees or hoodies when I go out and about, because I love to see people read it. And this is This is the theme of 2026, okay? Every day, all day. Be kind or be quiet. And that's it. That's all. Be kind, or be quiet. Simple as that. Okay? Like we used to say back in the days, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. Okay? But this is real simple, not too many words, and clear as day. Okay? If you got to sound it out, sound it out. Either way, it still means the same thing. Be kind or be quiet. I love the color of this purple. It is a deep, rich purple. And you guys can see they're soft fleece. And let's see, she even has care instructions. Okay, now not the brush is trying to get in all on the video, y'all. Excuse the brushes. We ain't doing nails today. We talking about cut designs, okay? Here instructions says for apparel with heat transfer designs, machine wash and hang to dry. Do not place direct heat to this design. So don't be placing your iron on here, okay? We're not trying to ruin this whatsoever. Don't do it. Okay. And remember I told you about Swoochy? Yes, that's also her brand as well. For Swoochy leggings, yoga pants, and sports bras, avoid contact with rough surfaces and Velcro since they can pull out the white fibers in the fabric, damaging the garment's appearance. Machine wash and hang to dry. So you have everything you need to know. There should be no reasons why whatever apparel you get from her should be ruined because she gives you all of the instructions, okay? That got me an extra large. And handwritten notes with a purple pen. It says, Olena, thank you for your constant support over the years. We appreciate you. Alvita and Kai. And Kai wrote this himself. Kai is her son. It's her son who has just a wonderful sense of humor, just like Alvita, his mama. Oh, I just love them, y'all. I really do. So, thank you, Alvita and Kai. I'm going to keep this. This is not being thrown away, okay? This is not being thrown away. Don't y'all love that? So anyway, quick shipping and supporting just a wonderful business, a wonderful woman, a wonderful friend. Make sure you follow her. She will make you laugh. Ain't no fakeness there. Somebody that's worthy of all the blessings and all the support that we can give her. So y'all go ahead and give Alvita a purple hearts, some butterflies. Go ahead and put that in the comments. If you don't do anything else, do that. We want to support our girl here. Make sure you go ahead and support her business. Follow her on all platforms. She is everywhere. She's on IG, she's on Facebook, she's on YouTube, she's on TikTok. She's everywhere. And I'm following her everywhere because, friends support friends. So anyway, Alvita, if you're watching this, I finally unboxed it, girl. I finally did. We all know I'm so slow unboxing things, but I wanted to get this on camera. This wasn't just going to be a reel. This was going to be an actual video, but I'm going to have the reels in here too because we need to let everybody know. Whether they can read or not, we'll read it for them. Be kind or be quiet. That's it. That's all. So anyway, y'all, I hope you watched to the end. Make sure you check the description box. If you couldn't catch all the information I was giving you during this video, check the description box for all the contact information for Kai Designs. This is one of our fellow roses in the rose garden, y'all, so we got to support her. Just like we support everybody else, we got to support her, okay? And other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.